Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and use WinRAR on macOS. Just a heads up, WinRAR on Mac and Linux is strictly command line based. It doesn't have a graphical user interface, or GUI, like it does on Windows. So we'll be installing it via Homebrew and running it through the terminal. By the way, if you're just a casual user and don't actually need to create RAR files, I highly recommend just grabbing the app Unzip from the App Store. It's way easier for just opening files. I'll leave the links to those videos in the description below if you're interested. First up, let's open Terminal. Once that's up, go ahead and check your Homebrew version. If you see the current version number pop up on your screen, that means Homebrew is already installed and you're good to go. Now, let's get the RAR package installed. We're going to use the command brew install cask rar. Once that's installed successfully, verify it by typing which rar. You should see the installation path right here. Alright, now let's try the two most basic commands, compressing and extracting. I've got a RAR file here in my Documents folder, so go ahead and navigate to your folder. To extract a file, use the command rar_x followed by the name of the file you want to unzip. Hit return, and the file will be extracted right in the current folder. Next up, let's handle file compression. To compress a file, we use the following command, rar_a. After that, type the name you want for your new archive. For example, I'll name mine clip.rar. The next parameter is the actual file you want to compress. Here, I'm going to use this img.mov file. You can actually compress multiple files by listing them here, just separate them with a space. Now, hit return. And just like that, I've got my clip.rar file. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.